So, how did I create those videos? There's a hidden language to AI video creation, and today I'm breaking the code wide open. I'm talking about 9 expert prompting secrets that separate viral content from forgotten uploads. Character magic, impossible transformations, Hollywood-level effects, and camera work that shouldn't be possible. The question is, are you ready to learn what they don't want you to know? Before we dive in, let me tell you why I'm using Kling AI for all these demonstrations. I've tested pretty much every platform out there, and Kling consistently delivers the best results across all these techniques. It handles detailed prompts like a champ. The start and end frame features are rock solid, and most importantly, it's so darn reliable. Instead of jumping between different tools and confusing you, I'm sticking with Kling so you can follow along and get consistent results. Alright, let's start with something that drives everyone up the wall, getting the same character to appear consistently across multiple videos. Most people think you're doomed without image references, or that you must use Kling's custom model feature, which will demolish your wallet at 999 credits per upload. But plot twist, you can nail this using just your prompts, but you need to go full detective mode with your character descriptions. I'm talking CSI level detail here. So I went to ChatGPT and said, write me a specific description about a teenage boy wizard. He is wearing a brown wizard hat and moss green robes. The description includes a detailed description of his facial features, hair color, and clothing. ChatGPT returned with this massive novel that could have been a Wikipedia entry, so I replied, make it shorter and more concise, only the important details. What I got was pure gold. A teenage boy wizard stands confidently, his sharp amber eyes gleaming with curiosity. His dark brown hair peeks out from beneath a worn brown wizard hat, frayed at the edges. He wears moss green robes that flow to his ankles, with subtle gold-threaded cuffs and faint magical runes near his wrists. A silver crescent moon pendant hangs around his neck, and well-worn dark leather boots peek out from under his robes. His youthful face, lightly freckled, carries an air of quiet wisdom and determination. I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of text. But again, if you want your AI videos to look consistent, you need those clothing details locked down tight. Here's my go-to format in Kling AI. I start with a basic scene description, then slam in those character details that stay exactly the same for every single prompt. Like this, a teenage boy wizard in an ancient castle library. Then I paste in that detailed character description. With this description, I can put this same character to a magical market, hanging out with a dog, exploring different worlds. And because I'm using that super detailed description, the character's most notable feature like hair and clothing colors stay remarkably consistent. Sure, there might be differences here and there, but overall, quite impressive. Okay, the next technique got my DMs blown up with questions about it. We're talking about those mind-bending animal hybrid fusion videos that look like something from a fever dream. First things first, you need reference images. I'm using Midjourney for this, and while these transformation videos seem complex, the prompts are surprisingly simple. Start with your first image. 2 animals just hanging out together. My prompt was a lion and an eagle standing next to each other with the forest as the background. Ultra realistic, nothing fancy, just the basics. Then for the second image, you're creating the hybrid creature. Here's what I used. A full body shot of a powerful lion-eagle hybrid creature, blending the regal body of a lion with the majestic wings and head of an eagle with the forest as the background. Ultra realistic. That's it. 2 simple prompts and you've got everything you need for a transformation that'll blow people's minds. The magic happens with the start and end frame features. Most AI video generators have this now. You upload one image as your starting point, another as your ending point, and the AI fills in all the crazy transformation stuff in between. Kling destroys the competition for this type of content. Make sure you're using version 1.6. That's the one with the start and end frame feature. Upload your first frame with the 2 animals side by side, then your end frame with the hybrid creature. This prompt surely works. The lion and the eagle leap in the air and collide and merge into a hybrid animal creature. Just swap out lion and eagle with whatever animals you're working with. The result is out now, but you only see the hybrid creature for a hot minute in that first video. Of course, our viewers want a longer clip with your hybrid just vibing. Use the regular image to video feature. Upload your hybrid image and prompt something like, the creature looks around in subtle motion. Kling is incredible at keeping all those details consistent from your reference photos. Pro tip, if you want seamless continuity between your videos, grab a video frame extraction tool and pull the very last frame from your transformation video. Then upload that specific frame to Kling for your next clip. This way, your hybrid creature looks exactly the same across all your videos. No weird inconsistencies or random design changes that'll throw off your viewers. I even tried this madness with a zebra and a Lamborghini. Yeah, you heard that right. Vehicle creature hybrids are trickier, and you'll need more patience. But when it works, mind-blowing. Speaking of mind-blowing effects, let's crank things up even further with supernatural special effects magic. AI is surprisingly good at supernatural stuff, especially fire effects. Whether someone's wielding fire like they're the next Doctor Strange, or you just want environmental fire effects, the results are insane. Here's the kicker. Your reference images need to be photorealistic. Feed it cartoon-style images and it'll struggle harder than trying to parallel park a school bus. You can create all sorts of crazy effects. Vehicles floating in the air, massive waves crashing into the house, magical energy beams. The sky's the limit. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. Facial expressions are another problem. Most of us are guilty of using the most boring prompts ever for facial expressions. Sad, happy, angry. These work, but they're not wow enough. Instead of just saying happy, you can prompt for specific motions of individual facial features. I found this incredible LinkedIn post with facial expression prompts that control everything. Eyes, nose, lips, the whole package. Huge thanks to Kai Turner for sharing this treasure. Even though this guide was originally made for Minimax users, I've tested it with Kling AI and it works like a charm. When you add wide eyes to a smiling expression prompt, it brings out so much more personality and makes the video feel intense. For sad expressions, downturned mouth and drooping eyelids really drives home that emotion and shows how upset the character is. These detailed facial prompts are complete game changers, no joke. The next one's more advanced, but it's crucial if you want professional results. AI video generators can sometimes go completely nuts with your colors. They'll crank up the saturation like they're trying to blind people and add contrast that makes everything look like a neon sign. If you want your videos to stay true to your reference photos, you need to take control. Add phrases like muted colors, low contrast, or desaturated colors to your prompts. By being specific about color and contrast, you prevent the AI from going completely off the rails. The difference is night and day. When I ask for desaturated pastel colors, the video stays consistent with my reference. Without specifying, the AI goes wild with saturation, and the whole thing looks like someone attacked it with a highlighter. In Kling, if I don't specify colors, the contrast can go through the roof, but ask for muted colors, and you get a beautifully balanced video instead of something that hurts your retinas. So, we've got your colors looking professional. Let's talk about my favorite, character transformations. Picture this, a rabbit wearing a vintage dress that transforms into a lady who then ages into an older woman, then warps back into a rabbit. It's like animagus magic from Harry Potter, but cranked up to 11. So how do I create this miraculous transformation? First, I created the base image in Midjourney, a rabbit wearing a vintage dress sitting in a luxury car. This is our starting point. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I used Midjourney's editor tool to erase out the rabbit's head and change the prompt to a young woman with long hair wearing a vintage dress sitting in a luxury car. The AI replaces just that erased section with the woman's face while keeping everything else identical. If some parts don't look quite right after the transformation, just erase those wonky areas and let the AI take another crack at them. They usually nail it the second time around. Then I repeated this process, erased the young woman's head and prompted for a close-up photo of an old lady wearing a dress in a luxury car. Same car, same dress, just the face changes. That's how you get 3 perfectly matched transformation images. Once you've got your favorite image, upscale it. Trust me, you'll actually notice the quality boost. Now it's time for Kling AI magic. This uses the start and end frame feature. Upload your rabbit image as the starting frame, add your young woman image as the end frame, and generate. But here's what most people completely mess up. You need transformation prompts. I typed, the anthropomorphic rabbit gradually transforms into a beautiful blonde lady. The anthropomorphic rabbit's fur recedes, ears shrink, and facial features change as it turns into the blonde blonde lady, keeping a hint of playfulness in her expression. And look at what we've got. The transformation becomes smooth and believable instead of a weird glitchy mess. Once you've got that first transformation video, grab a video frame extractor and pull the very last frame. This becomes your starting image for the next transformation. This way, each scene flows perfectly into the next without any jarring jumps or inconsistencies. Finally, toss all your clips into CapCut and stitch them together into one seamless video. Add some smooth transitions between each transformation, and you've got yourself a mind-bending masterpiece that'll have people hitting replay over and over. But why stop at transforming just the characters? You can always take it one step further and transport them to completely different worlds. To create those incredible environment-changing effects, you need a series of photos with your character in different environments, then use start and end frames to transform between them. I tested this with a red-haired woman traveling the world. Start by creating your base image, a red-haired woman standing in NYC with the bustling city scene behind her. Now here's the crucial part. Upload this image as both a style reference and an omni-character reference in Midjourney. This keeps your woman looking exactly the same across all locations while maintaining consistent art style. Next, modify just the background to create your different scenes. Keep the same woman, same pose, but swap NYC for the Eiffel Tower in Paris, then again for cherry blossoms in Japan. The reference images ensure she looks identical in every shot. Then upload your NYC image as the starting frame in Kling, add Paris as the end frame, and watch the magic happen. The prompt I used for this trip was, a girl standing in NYC begins walking forward. As the girl walks, the background gradually transitions into the streets of Paris near the Eiffel Tower. The transformation is seamless and fluid, like a dreamlike journey between cities. The background transformation came out perfectly smooth, but honestly, the scene wasn't as jaw-dropping as I hoped. Looking back, my NYC image was pretty generic. Should have had her standing right in Times Square with all those crazy billboards and neon signs. Live and learn, right? That's why for the French to Japan transformation, I made sure to include iconic landmarks, the Eiffel Tower for Paris and those classic red torii gates for Tokyo, way more recognizable and impressive. As you can guess, all the work's left is throwing all the scenes into CapCut, your trusty editing buddy, and stitching them together. Now you've got a world-traveling masterpiece that'll have people questioning reality. Got some insane visuals? The next tip separates good AI videos from Hollywood-level content, the camera work. This is where you can flex your cinematography skills. You can control camera motion by prompting for specific camera shots you want the video to end up with. Got a portrait of a woman? Prompt for close-up shot on the woman's eyes, and watch the video zoom in with laser focus. The phrases close-up shot and eyes work together to create that smooth camera movement. Want the opposite effect? Try. The camera zooms out to get a full body shot of the woman. By asking for full body shot, you force the video to zoom out and show more details. Last but not least, these gorgeous ink illustration videos that start from a blank canvas and slowly build up the artwork. They're mesmerizing and surprisingly achievable. First step, create your ink illustration in Midjourney. I got this lovely illustration using this prompt. Icarus falls with mechanical wings breaking apart mid-air. Water ink style, white and blue colors, white background. The key here is getting that authentic ink look with visible texture and character, not some sterile digital drawing. Then upload your finished illustration to Kling AI, but set it as the end frame, not the beginning. Why? Because we want to show the creation process, starting from a completely blank white canvas and watching the art magically appear. For the animation prompt, I'm borrowing some serious wisdom from @Halim Al-Rasihi on X, shout out to this genius. Revealing an image from a completely blank paper, transitioning into the style of ultra-fluid, seamless, smooth ink brush strokes that gradually and effortlessly flow, merging like water on rice paper. Strokes appear soft and blend naturally, deepening in boldness with perfect consistency. The image forms organically, with each element revealing itself in a continuous, graceful transition. The results are pure magic. You literally watch art come to life. You can combine multiple illustrations to create longer animations, and this works with all sorts of illustration styles. Now you know the secrets that separate amateur AI content from professional-grade videos. These aren't beginner tips. These are the exact techniques behind viral AI content. Use them wisely and watch your videos go from ignored to incredible. Want to try these amazing AI yourself? All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.